Hi student, I hope you are fine and healthy at your home. Now we'll see chapter number 4 of class 12 physics, which is current electricity. For studying that, before we must have to know that what is electric current. The rate of flow of charge through of area of cross section of conductor is known as a electric current. The rate of flow of charge. Electric current is generally defined as a charge upon time. If the charge is flowing through a circuit is Q and it is flowing to the time t, then electric current is represented by A equal to Q upon T. The unit of electric current is ampere. Now we'll see the definition of drift velocity. Drift velocity, what is drift velocity? Drift velocity is the average velocity by which free electron get drifted towards the positive end of cell or battery. It is the average velocity by which the free electron get drifted towards the positive end. Its value is very less, 10 to the power minus 4 meter per second. It is denoted as Vd. Vd is our drift velocity. Now we'll see Ohm's law. We'll study about Ohm's law, which you have studied in 10th classes. So George Simon Ohm, German scientist, 1842, had given the law which known as a Ohm's law. The Ohm's law states that if the physical state of any conductor, what is physical state? Temperature, mechanical strength or dimension remain unchanged. Ohm's law states that if the physical condition of conductor remains unchanged, then current flowing through a circuit is directly proportional to the potential of the circuit. So I is proportional to V, V equal to I and R. If we are removing this sign, so we have to use a constant, so we can derive as V upon I equal to R, where R is a constant, proportionality constant, which is known as a resistance of the circuit. So if we will draw the graph between V and I, then we will get a straight line. Why we will get the straight line? Because V and I are directly proportional to each other. Sometimes R is denoted as R equal to 1 upon tan theta, where tan theta is the slope between V and I. Some limitation also there of Ohm's law. First is this: temperature. Ohm's law is applicable for the body where temperature remains unchanged or temperature is constant. Then only Ohm's law will applicable. Next, that it is applicable on the conducting body should not be deformed. We must not change the conducting body. This is our Ohm's law. The specific resistance. We have seen Ohm's law. It is true for it is only applicable for true conductor only. Now we will see specific resistance or resistivity. The electrical resistance per unit volume of a conductor is called resistivity or specific resistance. The electrical resistance per unit volume of a conductor called resistivity. Normally it is represented by rho equal to Ra upon L, where the unit of rho or specific resistance is m ohm meter, and the dimension formula of specific resistance is mLq T minus 3 A minus 2. Now we will see the combination of resistance. As we have discussed the combination of capacitor, there is two type of combination of cell generally. We will see series combination of resistance. In series combination of resistance, the second end of resistance is connected to the first resistance, and so on. In the diagram we can see that we have a three resistance R1, R2 and R3. Suppose that potential difference across the point X and Y is V, Then potential difference due to the R1 is V1, R2, V2, R3, V3 respectively. Then we know that by the Ohm's law. Ohm's law states that potential is directly proportional to the current. So V1 equal to IR1, and we know that V2 equal to IR2 and V3 equal to IR3, which will be our first, second and third equation. Then total potential it will take of any circuit, then V equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. If we put the value of V1, V2 and V3, then we will get IR equal to IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3. In this we can take common I, then IR equal to IR1 plus R2 plus R3. Then total I to I will cancel, then resistance will R equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. If an N circuit is connected, then the resistance will be R equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 equal to dash dash Rn. We can write as the form R equal to summation RR.